Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kevin with Robertson's Power and Sports. For those of you that are new to the channel, thanks for stopping by. If you could do us a favor, just go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel. We really would appreciate that. We got a yellow box here, but this is not just any yellow box. This is the all-new SKIDOO Mach Z. We just got it in, first one in off the truck. We're super excited to go ahead and open this up. And what better way to do it than to share it with you? So let's get right into it. Let's open this up. Let's see what's inside. We can't wait. Alrighty, so here it is. Special thanks to my special guest, Dimitri, our technician here, for go ahead and opening this crate. Man, what do you guys think? The all-new Mach Z, such a highly anticipated snowmobile. Again, this is a one-year only deal. Many of you have asked us how the sleds come in the crate, so here it is, a first look, us uncrating this thing. But you're gonna have to stay tuned and be on a lookout for a future video when we actually build this thing in the shop and get it ready to go to the customer. So again, thanks for taking the time to watch our videos. If you have any questions at all, give us a call at 207-324-5502 or visit us online at robertsonspower.com. Have a great day.